Hello and welcome to Mile High Food Trucks. Today we have another beautiful food truck that we are about to ship. This one is a Mexican theme. This one's actually slightly different in that this is also a box truck. Well, this used to be a box truck, which we have converted into a food truck. Check out the cool graphics on the outside. Also in it is a 9500 watt Predator generator, which we mount them typical to many other food trucks that we have built, in that it is a generator box that is on the inside so that it doesn't get stolen. We also build custom extension cords so they can connect the generator to the truck or the truck to the wall. These are of course made out of 6-gauge wire, custom cables. Another difference here is that this truck, the customer requested that the gas tank, the propane tank, be on the outside. They want it to be replaceable. So this one has a 100-pound tank similar to food trailers on the rear of the trailer. It's of course also wrapped. Check out the cool graphics on the outside. Right here is the 5-foot service window with self-closing doors, of course. That is, they can lift past the product and it will come down by itself to keep the bugs out. LED lights on the inside and outside. Right there is where you fill the water. So you open that and you put in a garden hose to fill the water tanks for a tank, singular in this case. Right there is how you drain the water, similar to RVs. So you take the cap off, you pull the plunger and the water would fall down from the 40-pound grey water tank, which is mounted in the bottom of the truck. The truck has about 100,000 miles. Used to be a FedEx truck. You can see the AC on the roof, which is RV AC of course, and the 1650 CFM exhaust fan. Something I forgot to mention was this shore power inlet. You can connect to your house or a commissary this way. On the side of the 1650 CFM fan is a small grease catch pan, so the grease doesn't run down the side of the truck. Let's go inside and see the interior of this beautiful food truck. And to get to the inside is a RV door that we put in. Of course, much like most FedEx trucks, the back of this truck was much like that. It had a roll-up door, which of course we demolished, and we framed it in, and we added this 32-inch wide RV door. And the RV door also has a screen, so you can actually just have the screen door on to give a little bit more ventilation. Now let's go see the inside of this beautiful food truck. Let's start in the front. Right there, let me turn the AC off. Right there is the 3-compartment sink, NSF approved obviously to comply with the regulations. Below that is the freshwater tank that I mentioned earlier, 30 gallons, 8-gallon water heater, electric, hand wash sink with splash guards, the soap dispenser and the towel dispenser. Check out the plumbing on the bottom of this. We of course make sure that nothing leaks. The water pump. That is the service window, the interior of it. You lift this thing, pass the product, and it closes by itself. This also has a refrigerator and a freezer. Of course, all equipment are mounted both to the floor as well as to the walls with washers, so they're not going anywhere when the truck is in transit. Right there is the carbon monoxide and the propane sensor in case there is a propane or carbon monoxide leak inside the truck. The AC that I just shut off. Right there is the breaker panel. Just like all the other food trucks that we build, every single piece of equipment has its own breaker. So if the refrigerator was to fail, it's not going to take out something else. And all the wiring is in these conduits. This way you can drill into any of the walls to hang like a bracket or a shelf or anything. Also, the wires are not going to get damaged due to chafing. That is a 36-inch Megatop sandwich prep. It's got a lot of little trays for the toppings. Next to that is a propane steam table. And next to that is a 2-burner stove, 48-inch griddle. There's a Mexican food truck. Of course, Mexican food uses griddle extensively. The 8-foot, 7-foot in this case, I apologize, hood, type 1, with fire suppression. And so, as always, these are the individual drops. Of course, this comes certified and installed by certified hands. Tags everywhere. More outlets. That's the interior of the generator box. You can, of course, keep something on top of it if you like. The floor is, of course, aluminum diamond plate. All the walls are stainless steel. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck. If you have any questions, would like a food truck for yourself, get in touch with us at milehighcustomfoodtrucks.com or Zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you and have a nice day.